Hi Mira, happy birthday. I really haven't had the chance to interact with you as much as others have had, but I admire the way you are so connected into what is happening, how people adore you, in fact to the extent that people revere you. So wish you all the very best. Have a fantastic birthday.
Hi Meera, happy birthday to you. We've just finished our workout, as you can see, in ode to one of the fittest and hottest women of Ashok Towers. Even though you're in Mauritius now, you're pretty much always here in spirit. And I just want to say one great thing about you that I've always admired is that you're a woman who really knows her mind, and you know what you want, and you're not afraid to go after it. And I think that's fantastic. I hope you have a fantastic birthday and that Gopa takes you out somewhere really fancy and treats you well. And see you soon when you're in Bombay next. Bye. Hi Meera, happy birthday to you. Just wanted to tell you that it was great that how you got me and Menaka together through the Navratri celebrations, and that was the start of our friendship together, and we owe that to you a lot. So thanks, and you have a fantastic day and a fantastic year ahead.
Hi Meera, it's great to be wishing you like this. I have known you for a very, very long time, since 1998 when I got married and came to Chennai, and Shobit was just a toddler almost. Through these years you've moved from being a friend to an elder sister, and I really value that relationship. There's so much to tell about you. You're a great organizer, you're a great style icon, a fabulous cook. The list could just go on, and every year you and Gopa seem to be getting younger. Love your spirit for life and the way you live it up. Here's wishing you a fabulous, fabulous birthday and a great year ahead. We all here in AT miss you and we want you back. Happy birthday.
Meera darling, happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Meera, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Meera. Happy birthday to you. Many Christian dears to you, and Gucci's and LV's too. May good life go with you and happiness too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We all at 80 love you and we miss you too. Happy birthday!
Hi Meera, happy birthday. I always thought that we make good friends when we are young, when we are in college, in school. I never thought that I'll meet someone one day on walking track and who'll become such a good friend, with whom I share so much, I learn so much, I laugh so much with that person. Thank you so much for being that friend for me. Love you lots. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Hi Meera, wish you a very very happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful wonderful day. Everyone in Bombay is missing you so much. Wish you come back here soon. Now Rishi also will wish you.
I'll
Say.
happy birthday, Meera auntie.
See, I miss you so much.
I miss you so much.
It was so much fun.
It was so much fun in Mauritius.
I love playing with the water pipe.
I love playing with the water pipe
With you.
with
And eating all the Nutella. Okay.
Hi Meera ji, wish you a very happy birthday. There's so much to talk about you. I admire the way you maintain contacts, the way you handle people and situations, the way you work methodologically, and so on and on and on. But that looks so formal. Only thing what I want to say is I'm so fortunate to have you as my friend, come sister, come guru. I have learned so much from you and I'm learning so much from you. But most of all, what I like being the best is, wait a second, I like being your baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Meera Di. Happy birthday to you. See you.
Meera, जन्मदिन happy birthday Asham Sagal. Correct ano? I don't think so. Anyway, happy birthday. Were you surprised? Okay, my son who's clicking this video, is like completely disgusted with me. He's saying I'm being very artificial. Okay, but I'm not being artificial. I'm genuinely wishing you a very happy birthday. I am genuinely hoping that you've been very, very surprised. Okay, and basically now, as far as surprise are concerned, हम किसी से कम नहीं. We have managed to surprise you also all the way in Mauritius, isn't it? So the only thing we are missing is that we couldn't do a Dance Meera Dance season 3. I hope we will manage to do that in December when you come here. So the bigger celebration is when you come here. But Aryan, please don't make this bad. And so till then, have a great day. Wishing you lots and lots of fun, happiness, love, good health.
Hi Meera Di. It's a great opportunity to speak to you today on this video. I wanted to wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Hope you're enjoying in Mauritius, and I'm sure Mauritius is enjoying you as much as AT is to enjoy you. I met you 13 years back through Shruti, and you were Shruti's Meera Di, and since then you've always been my Meera Di too. With a lot of love and fond memories with you, I want to wish you again a beautiful, beautiful birthday just like you are. Thank you. Bye.
Meera, many happy returns of the day. I'm sure you will have a fantastic time on your birthday with Gopa and kids. But don't forget to miss us, your lovely 80 friends. Okay, have a fantastic time. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Meera. Wish you loads of love and happiness in your life. Bye.
Hi Meera, many happy returns of the day. I'm really glad to know you, and you're such a wonderful person. And the best part is you are an all-rounder. You're just an amazing all-rounder. And I wonder how you manage so many things at the same time. You're so energetic. And the best part is being in Mauritius, you are able to give that immediate prompt response to almost every single message that comes on WhatsApp. I sometimes wonder whether you are always on WhatsApp or you even have other people, but knowing you, I'm sure you have your own things to do, but it's your love and affection to us that you are always online for us, and that's really nice. This small presentation for you. ஏந்தி எங்க போயிட்டை நீ மீராதி மொரிஷஸ் போயிட்டை ஏட்டியெல்லாம் காயுது பாரு வந்து டான்ஸ் ஆடுமா உடம்பெல்லாம் காயுது பாரு.
Hi Meera, this is one of the best places to be wishing you a very happy birthday from. I'm stuck at the Delhi airport. I have missed my flight. But this is a very, very good time to say a very, very, very happy birthday to you. तुम जियो हजारों साल के दिन 50,000. Now before Sunan dies of embarrassment at having to take this video in a public place, and Shloka bursts out of the giggles that she's controlling. You can see the camera is shaking because of that. I will say bye-bye to you and wish you all the best. God bless and lots of love.
Hi Meera, wishing one of the most enthusiastic and a lively person I know a very, very happy birthday. Have a great birthday and hope to see you soon in Mumbai. Bye.